Hello again. In these several episodes, I need to do a quick reminder of some things that I believe a lot of you know very well. But okay, let's do a quick reminding. First, today we'll talk about the joins. And for that, we'll use the two of Oracle test tables, dept and emp. Okay, the most common and most old way to do join is, of course, to write this query and to join on foreign key. This is a traditional way to perform a join. You see that from dept and then from emp, and this is the order when in which the data are displayed. Of course, if I switch the order, of course it will be switched. There is another way to perform the same thing. Like this. This is a standard ANSI syntax. Okay, to perform the same thing. Of course, many people would like to put aliases, so let's do it. And we don't need to mention the full table name when using aliases. There is another way to perform a join, since there is a foreign key defined between two tables. If I say simply like that, natural join dept, without mentioning anything, it will do the same thing. Just take a careful look that there is a field dept now that is not displayed twice anymore. This is the only difference, and I believe it become possible with Oracle 11 or maybe 10G. I don't remember exactly. And that's all about inner join. The inner join. Now you can perform the outer join as well. What is the outer join? The outer join is the possibility to, of course, join the rows that are matching in two tables. So matching meaning there is a primary key that is equal to the foreign key on the other table. But the outer join will add the rows that do not match. Which row is concerned in our example? You remember that operations, that this department has no employees. So because you see there is no foreign key with, that is pointing to this department. So if you want to display this department as well, how would you proceed? From dept emp to where dept no equal. So again, I'll write the inner join, and then the outer join will consist to make a plus on one of the side. But which one? You will put the plus on the side, on which the data is missing. So if there is an empty department, the data is missing on the emp side. So you will. This is the side when you put the plus, and in fact you saw that the operation Boston has appeared here, even it has no corresponding rows on the other side. What would the opposite would do if I put the plus on the other side? You see that nothing is happening because there is no employees that is still not assigned to a department. In order to make this outer join work, we need to add another row, and we will do it right now. Okay, let's say that's emp no and a name, and that will be all. we'll call it Tom. No, employee number, let's say employee number, something like this. And the name of the guy is Tom. So Tom is still not a part of any department. He's still not working in any department. His foreign key is empty, and now the whole thing will work. Just a moment. This one. Okay, you see Tom. You don't see the empty department. In order to see the empty department, remember, you need to put the plus on the other side. This is a standard Oracle syntax, and there is an ANSI syntax to perform the same thing. And this will be like this. Dep okay, and the other join will be the right join. Okay, which one is left and which one is right? Here the opposite rule, excuse me, is true. So you remember that the plus is put on the sign where there is a missing data. Here the keyword right or left means the side when data exists. Is it okay? So if I say select from depth right join emp, so I want the data on the right side. Okay, I want the data here. This is the left side until then, and this is the right side. Okay, if I say left join, then I want the data on the left side. So this is the opposite, contrary to plus. Plus is going where data on the side where data is missing. Here the keyword mean the side where data exists, because you remember that in the case of the outer join there is one side that is missing data. Of course, to finish this lesson, you can put a full outer join like this, and you will have the empty department and Tom as well. Thank you for watching.